Alright guys, welcome back to this platform once again with your humble servant right here on this platform. What is needed is going to write it down there. Fila, Kase fila, give me more. Now guys, I have information and the information have been with me for the past months. I've been trying to digest this information to make sure that I will be able to get it to the bottom and to the last point of the message. Now guys, according to the information reaching me on this platform, Top Gossip, you know what we do? We go to it, we bring it to you, and we give you till the end of the video. Now I want you to stay with me, and if you know KOD, send this message to KOD. This is a final, very final, and a last warning to KOD. KOD and his entourage, Ewo Tourism Board, Abeoku Santana, and your people in the Ministry of Tourism. This message is coming to you guys. TME, not take it very carefully. With all due respect, let me just tell you people that whatever you guys are doing in that ministry, it is in your hands. But be careful. You don't put your hands into things that you are not supposed to put your hands into. Now, this is a final warning and a very last warning. If you guys think that you can use your office to condone, to connive, to join hands with Mr. Ehinetu Chukwudi Jude to do things against the Gan Adangwe people, we are digging and we have all the information here. Now I have information and I want to tell you guys right now, because according to the information I have with me, Mr. KOD, you as a person sanction whatever happened in Osu and Mashin, you sanction it. Now according to information I've gathered also, say there have been some elements that are in the Chukwudi Jude's abode. Some of his sub chiefs in his abode, omuya were down for four. They are your friends. Some of Chukwudi Jude's small chiefs on CC, omuya were down for four, and because you guys are friends, they are able to influence you with little stuff that they want them to happen in Ghana. Now, according to the information that have passed through my ears and information that is going on, you are about to, and you are planning to, and you are leading them to do something that is against the Ghana Adangwe people and to respect Nite Kuchuru. And so I'm coming straight to tell you that this is what we have heard, so you can disease from it. Otherwise, the rest will be a case of the past. Now let me say that there have been a meeting between you yourself. According to the report I've gathered so far, allegedly you have met a couple of people at Chukwudi Jude office discussing how you'll be able to convince, discussing how you'll be able to change, discussing how you can break through for Chukwudi Jude Ehinetu and his people for the upcoming new Yam Festival. Now, let me tell you, Mr. KKD or Mr. KOD, the very moment you guys met, the very moment you guys do your meeting, the very moment you guys are doing your thing within Tema and Accra and Spinteso, we have the information already. And so I'm telling you that anytime you guys meet, whether on WhatsApp, whether in Zoom, we have the information already. Has to respect to what is going on. We want to tell you, and this is a straight message to you, and this is a warning message to you. We want to tell you, say, yempesa adieno, upese Chukwudi Jude, ekodi na fashion ewo baby dia. Prepare now when omu enko baby a wo fi say omu ko no ko dia fashion na ebeboa, but not on the Garland. TME, not on the Garland. TME, because we are serious about it. We don't want any foreign alien festival. No gameke no ne huehu no ni ba no beopa. All those days that you guys were celebrating, it has passed and gone. And so what is ahead of us, we the generation, we the Gen Zs right now in the Greater Accra region, and for the Ga Adangme United Front, which I'm a member, I want to tell you that we know what you are planning, we have seen it, we are working towards it, and we are telling you that if you don't want series of confrontation, if you don't want us to drag you to the Garmanches Palace or drag you to the Regional House of Chief, then disease from supporting, aiding, abetting, and to ensure that Chuku the Jude and his 16 chiefs will have access to celebrate the Yam Festival, the new Yam Festival in September. We are hearing, it is already there in our ears, and we have seen couple of things, meetings be a koso near there. We have seen all those things. So we are telling you, if you are planning it or you are purposing it, or they have given you some brown envelope to be able to buy your way out, to tell people, say, tourism, number one, to tell people, say, a lot of people will be traveling from the diaspora to come for the Yam Festival. Number two, we will not allow that to happen on the land in Accra, Greater Accra region, Ga Adangme land. We will not allow that to happen. We are serious about it and want to remain resolute. We will push this agenda until the end. So this is a message to KOD. So KOD, I'm telling you, information I have gathered so far about you are still pending, and I'm still waiting to do what I have to do. But according to some information, you have something that has to do with Sunstrip nightclub being for, and so we are waging into it, and we'll bring it to here on this platform as well. Top Gossip 24 with your humble servant right here on this page. Every single meeting you are having with Chuku the Jude and his people, we are hearing it. We are about to just make sure we put it together, so we'll tell you in the face. So we don't want any issue. Now let me just use this opportunity. The Minister of Tourism, Mrs. Gamashi, or say Agamashi, ako mami teshinyo no o papa yegbenyo. Please, only teshi kusum. If you respect the chiefs and the people in the Greater Land as a Minister of Tourism, please and please again, I'm not bringing you into this because you didn't sanction the first one. Somebody sanctioned it without your knowledge, but you didn't sanction it. I'm not pulling you into this. I'm pulling you into this last minute because I want you to put your ears down, because boys now no mo ye juma. Our tourism department, they don't tell you. They are doing a lot of things without your knowledge. They feel say, oh, you're bar and tikakano be the name of for. So please and please again, if you hold higher esteem, respect to the people of the Gans and the Adangmes, please tell your boys, because sometimes when they sanction this thing and it happen, they will come and sit on social media and be insulting the Gans. Meanwhile, the person who sanctioned this particular thing, meanwhile, the person who's about to sanction this, that is the thing. At the end of the day, then the people will come and sit down on social media. They will be saying all manner of things about Ga Adangmes and Gans. Honestly, you are not a Gan, and so please know your space and stay in your space. If you want Chuku the Jude, he need to celebrate the Yam Festival, please, you can take him to wherever your homeland is, so you can go and celebrate it there. But to be honest, I am telling you, this is a straight message to KOD. Straight, you are betting and helping Chuku the Jude to celebrate the new Yam Festival 2026, and we will not sit back and see you doing that. We want peace in Ghana, and we want a peace to remain, and we want to make sure that whatever you are doing, we are watching. Ebusia, there's another filler, and I'll bring you that filler. TMA, more filler is coming. Type under it, filler. Ooh, filler. We'll be right back.